Hello everybody, welcome to yukicooks. Today I'll be reviewing this Morphe Richards espresso and cappuccino maker. This comes with an 800 watt machine and it has a plastic body, but it has a very premium look. And I'm making this review after using this extensively for 6 months. It's not as if I've just bought it, unboxed it, and I'm making a review. We'll start off by looking at the cord. The cord is a little bit less than a meter. It's quite long. It has a 3-pin plug and it'll go in easily into any 3-pin socket. So let's start looking at the accessories. First thing is this carafe. This is a heat resistant carafe and it can hold up to 4 cups of espresso. The markings on the carafe doesn't get washed away. You can wash it in the dishwasher and it comes with a good quality plastic lid. Now let's move on to the second accessory, and this is this coffee filter. It's made out of stainless steel with a plastic handle and it has these markings. The markings are very clear and you put the coffee in here. So for 2 cups you'll have to fill it up to 2, and for 4 cups you'll have to fill it up to the top. So the markings are quite clear. This is also dishwasher proof and the stainless steel is very good quality. It's quite heavy also. The filter also comes with a filter holder. This is also stainless steel and dishwasher proof. And here we have a coffee scoop. It is made of plastic, but it's a good quality plastic, and you just scoop out the coffee. It scoops out around 2 tablespoons of coffee, which is okay and good for 4 cups of espresso. And finally here we have the drip tray. This drip tray comes with slots so that the coffee passes through it, and it's a very well made product, and when the coffee drips it is not going to spoil the coffee machine. This is also totally dishwasher proof, so you can wash it in the dishwasher very easily. Here you can fit in the carafe like this, and when you remove the carafe the coffee maker stays clean. So now let's look at the coffee strength selector. From here you will see that you have different levels of coffee strengths which you can select. The right side is for light espresso, and as you move to your left it becomes stronger. When you move it to the extreme left, then steam starts forming, and with this you'll be able to use the frother. Here you can see that the cap of the frother is removable and you can use your frother with or without the cap. Now here we have the button. This is the on and off button. You'll see a red light here when the coffee machine is on. And now here you'll see these are the level of frothing which you can do. So you turn it here and then you can switch it off by rolling it backwards. And here we have the cap. And one thing you must remember, never ever touch it when it's hot, because there'll be a lot of steam inside and there's a big chance that you'll get burnt. So it's just a normal flask like cap, and here you have the markings of close and open, so you can just follow the markers. You fill in the water for your coffee from here. And now let's start the coffee making process. First you have to fix in the drip tray properly, and then we'll need water. Water you'll have to take, like say suppose if you want 2 cups of coffee, it should be at the 3-cup marking, because there should be enough water for steam formation, because we'll be using the frother. Now open the cap, fill in the water, and please don't use tap water, use filter water. Shut the cap very tightly. This is a very important step. This is a safety step, you can say. You have to fill it up. You just follow the marker and you turn it like this and make it very tight. Okay? You just don't want to burn yourself. Now let's add. I'll be making 2 cups of coffee, so I'll add enough coffee powder up to the 2 marking. Press it lightly with the end of the scoop. Now place the filter in the filter holder like this. You can see that there are slots around the filter holder. So you take it to your left like this and you bring it to your right. Here you are, it's fixed properly. You can see that there are very clear markings for the filter to get set. Now we are getting ready for our espresso. I'll take 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. You can use normal sugar if you want to. And of course, black coffee is always an option. So put the lid on. You can totally skip the lid part because the coffee will drip in equally good. Now let's switch on the button and I'm going to set a timer for this. I want to time it for you so that you can see how long it will take for making 2 cups of coffee. So our timer has started. Now you can move the knob like this and select the strength of the coffee according to your preference. Now our espresso has started to drip. If you want to darken or lighten the coffee, you can always move the knob. So it has taken exactly 2 minutes and 11 seconds and between 2 minutes and 20 seconds for the espresso. Here you'll see that the coffee starts dripping like this as soon as you remove the carafe. So put the carafe back and now let's froth the milk. But before you froth the milk, always let out some steam. This way your frother will be very clear. You should always steam your frother and clean it with a paper towel or a towel before and after using the frother. Now you can hold your mug like this, or should I say jug, and here it's frothing perfectly well. You can see that the milk has already doubled in size. You can also use the frother with the black nozzle on, and after you've done with the frother, you should always clean it with the steam. It's very important for the good upkeep of your cappuccino maker. Here you are, you can just give it a tap. You have a very good froth here. Remove the larger bubbles if you want a good cappuccino, that is. Pour your coffee into a mug. Now it has stopped dripping. And here, you can use this espresso not just for hot coffee, but you can make mocha, lattes, cold coffees, milkshakes, whatever. The list is endless. Yeah, I'm just trying to become a latte artist, which I'm not. You can also try your hand at it. Thumbs up if you like the review. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in another beautiful and exciting video.